Alright guys, I wasn't real happy with how I had to cut that last episode short. I didn't even give you guys a formal goodbye, letting you know how much I appreciate you. So we're gonna hop in here quick and see if we can't find that build sheet. Alright guys, we're back. And I'm determined to get this cluster out so we can get this build sheet. So got my hand on the speedometer cable, but there we go. She's loose now. It's really not that tight. Alright. Speedometer cable is disconnected. Let's see if we can't get this cluster out now. Oh, yeah. All kinds of room now. There it was. I just dumped mouse crap all over me. Let me get a light. We'll see if we can locate that build sheet. Get a light here. And there it is. The build sheet for the car. I'm guessing that thing is a bit fragile, so we're gonna have to be careful here. I snapped a picture of this cluster too, just in case stuff starts coming, like this light bulb already came out. So man of days. I'm just slowly gonna try to peel this tape off without, man, I don't know how I want to do that. Got it. So we lost some information here. Down in this bottom corner, that tape just ripped it right off. But here's what we're looking at. I honestly have no clue how to read this build sheet. So I'm gonna snap some photos of it, send it over to Tony, also known as NEF Aurora, in the comments. And I'm gonna wait to see what he has to say about it. And so until then, I'm gonna give you guys the formal goodbye that you guys deserve. Guys, I appreciate all of you. You guys are awesome. I read all the comments. I haven't been responding to them like I normally do, just had a lot going on. Plan on getting back into it, but again, I appreciate all of you guys. You guys are awesome. And I take all of your feedback to heart. So again, appreciate you guys. And we're gonna try to get back to our weekly schedule. So hopefully I see you guys this Friday. Until then, take care.